Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing my February Believers Box unboxing, or my February Believers Box, pretty much. So this is a Christian subscription service for women. You guys know I absolutely love this. I believe, as usual, I will put it down here because you guys know I'm never prepared. I believe it's 30 something per month, if I'm not mistaken. If I have a code, of course, I will include it. And guys, it is an amazing subscription box. I absolutely love it. That's why I have to share it no matter what. Ooh, I'm gonna eat right now. So this box, let me find the paper because I know this box brings a paper. Why are they putting the papers on the bottom now? Like this is, let me see. All right, so the theme for this month, they always have a theme every single month. The theme for this month is Let Your Light Shine, which I love. All right, so the first thing in here, which they always include, is this little 5x7 postcard that says Let Your Light Shine. And I love this because you can frame it or you can gift it to someone that you want to gift it to. Next thing in here is Let Your Light Shine candle. And this is from, oh, it's their own candle company. Ooh. So that's what it says. And let me smell. It's a yellow candle. It does smell like spring. It's like a spring smell. It says it's Let Your Light Shine spring candle, and it does smell like spring. And it has the Bible verse Matthew 5:16. So what Matthew 5:16 says is, let your light shine so before men that they may see your good works and glorify your Father which is in heaven. I love it. Next thing in here is 101 blessings, let your light shine. 101 messages to encourage and inspire. This is me, guys. This is the type of stuff that I absolutely love and I'm obsessed with because I love to encourage and inspire people and impact their lives. So I love this so much. Next thing in here are, ooh, these are like little cards, 12 cards and envelopes. I love that. And they all have like a saying in it. They're different kinds. So let me read the first one, just one so you can kind of see. It says, may God do in your life what only He can, strengthen you with His love, fill you with His assurance, bless you with His peace, and hold you in His arms as you are held in prayer. I love that. Sympathy card. It says, praying for you during this difficult time. And then the other one, let me see. Yeah, this one is just like sending a special prayer for you, just like a think of you. I like that. I really like that. Next thing in here, which I love, they always, almost always include a book, a CD, a shirt. I've gotten several shirts from them. Speaking of which, I'm going to tell you about my shirt, which is not from them, but I just love it because of what it says. Okay, so it says, a woman overwhelmed, finding God in the messes of life. Wow. That is beautiful. Wow. I like this. I like this. A lot of women would need this. Like, dead serious. Ooh, I love this. Oh my God. Okay, so some earrings. That they are called Be the Light. Of course, you are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. Neither do people light a lamp and put it under a bowl. Instead, they put it on a stand and it gives light to everyone around them. In the same way, you let your light shine before others so that they may see the good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. Look how beautiful those earrings are. They're so, so pretty. That's nice. I'm loving this. They always gift you these cards, which I carry them around and then I forget that I have them. But they always gift you like these business cards with the same verse. so you can give to people that you run into or anyone that you would like to give it to them at that moment. You never know who needs it. And then last but not least, I have a little cake bite. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's see. This is a lemon cake bite. Oh my God. Let's try this. I've had food several times in this box. Ooh, they look nice. It's separated into 3, which is perfect so I can share with my kids. It literally looks like a cake. If you hear whistling, that's my son, and he doesn't hear himself because he has headphones on. And he's just like whistling away, whistling away. Sorry, guys. This is really good. So yummy. Okay, guys. Tell me this box wasn't great. So if you guys want to try it, I'll have the link down below. You guys can order your box. You're not going to regret it. You're going to love it. It's one of the best Christian subscription boxes that I have had. I've tried several, and this to me is the best one, or one of the best ones. So if I have a code, I'll leave it down below. I'll leave the link as well so you guys can subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye, my loves.